Okay, for the first part, your vocab words, you'll need to pause and write these down. That's at the very top of your notes outline. For example 1, we are determining whether or not the function is linear and give the slope of the function's graph. So starting off, um, we need to distribute that 5. All right, we need to distribute the 5 to the x plus 2. So we will have f of x, which is essentially the same thing as y. And then if we distribute this, we will get 5x plus 10. So now what you need to look at, does this look like y equals mx plus b? And it does, so this is linear. And then our slope is the number in front of x. So our slope is 5, and our intercept is the number off to the right. So that would be 10. The next equation, notice there's an exponent right here, so that would make this not linear. It is not a linear equation. Okay, we're going to do the same thing with problem number 2. So starting off right here, I have an exponent, so this is not linear. On B, I have 2 like terms that I need to combine. So I would have f of x equals 6x plus 3. And then that's like y equals mx plus b. So this is linear. And the slope is 6. And the intercept is 3. Okay, on number 3, we are going to write an equation for this graph. I need to find the slope first. So if I just look at rise over run, I can use going up 3 and over 3 to get to those points. So 3 over 3, which equals 1. And then I need to look for my y-intercept. So that is right there. So b equals -3. So if I put that together, I would have y equals 1x minus 3. And then I don't really need that 1 in front of x. Remember, it's not necessary. So that would be my final equation. On B, we are going to need to use the slope formula, so we can pick any 2 points, it doesn't matter, plug them into the slope formula. So m equals -7 minus a -16 over 1 minus a -2. So that would equal 9 over 3, which equals 3. And then I'm going to choose to work with 2 comma -4, and I'm going to plug that in and solve for B. So -4 equals 3 parentheses 2 for x plus b. -4 equals 6 plus b. Subtract 6 over, and I get -10 equals b. So then I need to make my equation. So y equals 3x minus 10 would be my equation. Okay, number 4. I have another graph, so I need to do rise over run. So if I go from point to point, maybe from here to here, I go up 2 and right 1, so my slope is 2. And then I need to look at my y-intercept, which is right there at 2. So b equals 2. So my equation is y equals 2x plus 2. On b, I'm going to pick 2 points, plug them into the slope formula. So 4 minus 10 over 1 minus 3 equals -6 over -2, which equals 3. And then I'm going to choose to plug in 1 comma 4. So I would put 4 here for y. So 4 equals 3 times x, which is 1, plus b.